Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got two boxes for you guys. One is from Sephora and one is from Zulily. I'm gonna say today is 2 for 1 day because I'm gonna be opening two boxes. I figured, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening. So the Sephora box is actually from the sale that they had recently. I got the VIB at 15% off whatever I was purchasing, and I think they have this sale twice a year, and I didn't know about it until the last one that they had. I think it was after Christmas or something like that. And so I figured, well, there's a couple things that I'm needing, and I just may as well just grab what I need. So it's not going to be a lot of stuff, but I will just start with the Sephora one first. So I did the purchase, and there was a code that you had to use for them to apply the 15% off, and I forgot to use it. So then I had to phone them and have them cancel that order before it registered in their system. So then they cancel it and I redid it, but then I forgot to use my eBay. So I said, you know what, I'm not even gonna bother, just leave it as it is, because I used the eBates on the first order that I did, but then I canceled that one. So I don't know if it's gonna go through or not, but I'm not even gonna bother. So they just put their packing paper on the top there, and so I've got in here a color corrector in orange and the Olaplex hair perfector. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about the Olaplex brand, and I wanted to try it for my hair. And then I got, as usual, some samples in here. I got the Purity Made Simple 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes, which is this one right here. And I don't know how you say this name, Caudalie. I don't know how you say that name. And then I got this Shiseido one as well. Okay, so this is the Olaplex product. It's very tiny, much more tinier than I expect, and this is actually 100 ml. So it repairs and strengthens all hair types. So they give you the directions, which I can't read because I need my glasses, and I won't be able to tell you what to do with this. I think it's a hair treatment that you probably might use as a conditioner or of some sort. But I was actually looking for some treatments for my hair, and I came across this one, and it has pretty good reviews. So that is why I decided to grab this one. So that is what it looks like. And then this is the corrector in here by Lancome, and I have some spots I would like to hide. I don't know if this color is going to be right for me or not. So this is what it looks like. It's a really small tube, and there are other colors as well. They have a green one, and it was between this one and the Urban Decay, and I settled on this one instead. So, and as usual, I get free shipping and $50 or more. So, and they ship pretty quick. So I've had this box a few days, and I figure, well, everybody else is putting up their, their what they got from the VIB sale. So I may as well do mine and get it over with. And yeah, and I just needed a couple things, so I didn't want to go overboard because I had other stuff coming, and I just didn't want to spend too much. I just wanted to pick up the basic things that I wanted to try out, that more of what I need rather than want it. So this is the Lancome color corrector. I'm gonna try and play around with this and see if I do like it. Otherwise I can order a different color or maybe a different brand or whatever. So that was all I got for Sephora, and then I'm gonna move on to the Zulily box. And I think there's going to be just 2 items in here as well. It's so cold here now. We had snow the other day and then they're calling for more snow again, so who knows. It's Alberta, so anything is possible here. So put my bubble wrap on the floor. So it's actually going to be a swimsuit and a pair of shoes. And dark gray zip accent sneakers in a size 8, navy and blue paisley high waist tankini top and bottoms in a large. I always go big for my swimsuits, and I like the 2-piece better than, not the bikini but the tankini style, which looks like a little shorts and a top. Sometimes you have a skirt on top of it, but I don't wear bikinis, or if I wear the tankini or not, I would go with just the all-in-one swimsuit. I'm very picky with swimsuits because I like something that looks good on me, and you know, sometimes you try a bunch of stuff on and you just don't like the way they look. So this is the bottom, pretty short, but that's okay. And it's in a size large, if you can see that. And this is the top of it, like a little dress. This looks pretty big. I hope it fits. So it's like a paisley style, and you tie it a neck, tie it in the back of the neck, and then you've got the 2 things here that your arms will go through, and the back of it is just like that, kind of low, and then it's got a little bow in the front, a little frill. So I hope it does fit, because medium is usually too tight on me, and I don't like to wear anything that's, you know, too tight. So that was the swimsuit, and now we're gonna move on to the shoes. So this is what these look like. I like this. This is nice and shiny, and I love shiny things. So I saw this. It actually looks the same that it looks on this side. I was kind of saying, should I order this or not? Because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. But it's got like a little zipper there, and I hope this fits, because this is supposed to be a size 8. But I just think this will look super cute with like pants or skinny jeans, leggings. You know, that'll look so cute. So I'll get the other one and show you. That is nice. It's a nice fabric. Nice and soft. I don't like too much lace-up styles, but this should be easy to put on your foot. I'll just have to adjust this here and it should be good to go. So this is what they look like together. So cute. I like them. I think they had this in a different color as well, but I like this one. It's nice. Yeah, so nice and soft. I hope it works for me. It says size 8 in there, so that's my size. Yeah, so that's the shoes, guys. I think I might bring this on my trip to Toronto to wear. I just thought I would open these boxes and get this video uploaded. I'm not sure when, because pretty soon my fiance is going to be on vacation, so he's going to be home with me for like a month or so, and I probably won't be uploading any videos. I'll probably film but not upload. Like, I've got a bunch of videos that I've filmed and I just haven't gotten around to uploading them as yet. So we'll see what happens, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you can leave me some comments down below if you liked anything that you saw in the video, or maybe if you've tried any of these products from the Sephora products that I bought. Let me know how it worked out for you, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.